Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, open menu and tap on Play Store. Then type Samsung voice recorder and tap on this app. If you don't have it already installed on your device, click install. Then open it. Click allow or while using the app and click at the red button. Your recording is now on. If you want to pause it, tap on the same button. Click OK, and you can also unpause it the same way. If you want to end it and save it, click on the square button, enter name of your recording and tap on save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wish to delete it, hold it, tap on the bin icon at the bottom left corner and choose Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!